see when you're ordering food on delivery, yeah, do you change your name?
Nah, my name's normal. Do you know what? It's actually bad. One time, it's
Surely
bad.
Toby's fine.
No. It's bad because one time, my driver, you know, when they get to your house and they don't know where they're going, my driver called me. He goes, "Yo, bro, where's the thing?" And I answer him, and he goes, "Ah, is that Toby?" I said, "Lord, no."
Yeah, now he knows full address,
Lord, no.
everything,
bro.
Yeah, I've changed my name bare times, you know.
I should do it. I
Yeah.
should do it, but everything just gets messy, man.
I remember I changed my name and I forgot the name that I changed it to, yeah. And he said the name, and I'm like, no, it's not me. Then he walked away and I checked. I said, no, it's me. It's me. I forgot, but I changed
He
it.
must have
But it's
thought
just
you were
because
lying.
I had anytime I see or hear someone that looks young or looks like they know me.
I either make my missus answer the door.
Yeah.
Or,
Send
someone else to the
or I
door.
put my hand out the door.
Or that
I
one.
put my hand out the door.
I tell them to
Leave it by the door.
Leave it by the
On
door.
the intercom. Yeah,
Yeah,
I got
leave
an
it by the
intercom with a face thing.
Yeah, I can see you, brother.
Okay. Demographic? Yeah. No.
Yeah, it's not